If you are using cloud services like AWS, you might be familiar with the challenge of managing your cloud costs. You want to save money by using long-term pricing plans, but you don't want to commit to a fixed amount of resources that you might not need in the future. You also don't want to spend a lot of time and effort on monitoring and optimizing your cloud usage. That's where Antimetal comes in. Antimetal is a software platform that helps you cut your cloud costs, not your headcount. It uses artificial intelligence to automatically optimize your cloud spend, giving you the benefits of long-term AWS pricing without the risk. How does it work? Antimetal connects to your AWS account and analyzes your cloud usage patterns. It then recommends the best pricing plan for your needs, whether it's reserved instances, savings plans, or spot instances. You can accept or reject the recommendations with a single click. But what if your needs change over time? Antimetal has you covered. It offers a guaranteed buyback feature that lets you sell back your unused reservations to Antimetal at any time. You'll never be stuck paying for resources you don't use. Antimetal also provides other features to help you manage your cloud spend, such as daily account summary. You'll get a daily email with a summary of your cloud spend and savings, as well as any alerts or recommendations. Team features. You can invite your team members to help manage your cloud spend and increase collaboration. You can also assign different roles and permissions to each member. Continuous optimization. Antimetal's AI engine continuously monitors your cloud spend and adjusts your pricing plan accordingly. You'll always get the best deal for your usage. No code integration. Antimetal doesn't require any code or engineering work to integrate with your AWS account. You can start saving in less than 5 minutes. Antimetal is the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to save money on their cloud services without compromising on performance or flexibility. It is fast, easy, affordable, and reliable. You can start your free trial today and see for yourself why Antimetal is the best tool for cloud cost optimization.